Hello everyone, this is Utkarsha and I welcome you back to my channel Artisan Spirit. So today we are going to make this beautiful painting. Let's start. Let's start with painting the background first. Oh wait, are you surprised I'm painting over the plastic sheet? So this is how I made the background. Like this is going to look very beautiful, a textural background. I really enjoy this method. But just put your damn colors with enough water into that plastic sheet, and here you go. Ta-da! Look, this is going to look very beautiful, a beautiful texture. Once it is completely dry, this is how it looks. So here you go. Keep this thing in mind that the background should be completely dried, because if you are using your pen in a wet background, it might get smudged even if you are using your mehenga wala art supply, so I can't guarantee. You know what, I was going to upload this one on yoga day 21st of June, but because of some kind of technical issues I couldn't make it then, so here it is. You guys must be thinking that this painting is easy to do, and if you are thinking this, you are absolutely right. Yeah, this is damn easy to do. Just try making it. But what is not easy to me is making a video while painting, then editing it, uploading it, promoting it, and still getting less number of views. Oh my god. So, guys, please support us. Like and comment because your feedback matters. Share. And if you are visiting us for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. One thing you need to keep in your mind while making mandala design is there should be a similar kind of pattern. Like you can see the first circle I made, the petals, the type of petal I made, and the third one. In the third circle, I have made the similar kind of petal, the bigger one. This is to the people who want to draw, who want to paint, but they do not have proper art supplies. My dear friend, just start with whatever you have. Because art do not have any foundation. You can't wait for a professional kit to start. Allow yourself to be a beginner and start with whatever you have. Even I do not have proper art supplies, but I paint with whatever I have. Because I love to paint. And there are few people who keep asking me that you have your Instagram username as Colors of My Spirit. So why your YouTube channel name is completely different from that? So this YouTube channel is an artist duo. Me, Utkarsha, and Sakshi. Both of us we manage this channel. Sakshi is Artisan Valley on Instagram. I'm Colors of My Spirit on Instagram, and together we are Artisan Spirit. So sounds interesting, no? This is why my YouTube channel name is completely different. And two of us we manage the channel. I am a bit irresponsible. She is more responsible, obviously, regarding this. She keeps poking me every time, like, Utkarsha, you have not posted a video yet. And if you have not followed us yet, so the link of our Instagram profile is on description box. आगे आप समझदार हो. And let's move to our main subject of the painting. Here I am using a white fluid pen to highlight our subject. You can easily find this white fluid pen anywhere in any kind of stationery shop. Now finally this one is complete. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and stay tuned for more amazing, beautiful and interesting paintings. तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय.